Hello everyone, I am Ghulam Abbas. I hope you guys are fine and doing great. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up automatic reply in Gmail account. So basically, you can have a look here that I have opened the two emails that I am using. So basically, this is the email from my website and this is my personal email that I am using on the daily basis. So notice here that I'm going to send just, for example, an email I'm going to send to the my website email address. So the website email address is intizum0@gmail.com. The title I'm going to give is guest post, and suppose I am just simply going to type what is the price for the guest post. This is just an example. You can just simply put whatever you want, but I'm just performing an example. So just click send. So you can see the message has been sent, and have a look here. Just let's go ahead and refresh it here. uh, so here you can see that I just received an email again. So you can see that here is nothing happened at all. So basically this is an auto reply that I already set it up within the this email address, and whenever someone asks the same question, they are going to receive the answer without in the automatic reply, just like a robot. So how you configure it, how to configure it, I'm going to show you that one inside this website, which is basically wikim. By the way, you can also visit it. This is the website wikim.com. This is my new website. It is in the collaboration with some other people. So basically this is basically the email that I want to configure the automatic reply. To configure the automatic reply, the very first thing is that you have to click on the gear icon, or basically the settings, and then go to the all these settings. After that one, you have to go to the advanced section. After that one, you have to enable the templates, and once you enable the template, scroll down and choose save changes. Now you can see that everything has been done, but still we need to create a template. Whenever someone is emailing us, the email should be automatically answered. So click on the compose, uh, just come here and then create a template. For example, I'm going to create the same thing. Hold on please. Just paste it. Instead of my domain.com, I'm going to put the domain of wikm.com. v at wkm.com. Don't accept in guest post. Yep. For further information, I'm also going to put info at wkm.com. Everything is fine. Now click on the three dots and then click templates and save as draft and save as a new template. I name it. I'm going to name it the guest post. Okay, now everything is done. If I have to go ahead and check there that it is being saved. So for now, I'm going to close it. Now one last thing we need to configure, and that is basically we need to set a specific rule and regulation for it. When the person email contains the same word or the same rules that you are applying, the template should be automatically reply to them. So click here, which is basically the search option. You can include anything that you want, but I'm going to specifically mention the word known as guest post. So you can put whatever you want, sponsored post, guest post, so it depends on you. And then click create filter, and from here you have to choose send template, and then from here you have to choose template and choose the guest post, and now click create filter. Okay, now it is done. However, still there is one more thing that is remaining, and if I have to go to the all settings, um, and that is basically, hold on please, go to the advanced tab, and now sorry, filters and blocked addresses. This time you have to simply choose this option, and then that is done. Now let's go ahead and test it out. This time I'm going to email this thing from my other website, which is basically techgofast.com. So hold on please. The email is whatever what the email is. Hold on please. I do not remember the email. wikm0@gmail.com. Okay, so to wikm0@gmail.com. The title will be guest post, and I'm also going to type the same thing that I typed previously on the beginning of the video. What is the cost for the guest post? For the guest post on wikm.com. Okay, send it. Okay, where is wikm? So basically nothing will be there. Let's just go ahead and refresh it. Anything? Nope, nothing. Here you can see that we received the reply. So basically this is how you can set up the automatic reply inside your website. And right now I'm going to set up the automatic reply specifically for the ISO of the Mac OS. So basically inside intozoom.com, if you have visited, there is a post by the name of I think that was download. Okay, Mac OS. There is no need to go to the search sections. Is it the Mac OS? Now it is the Mac OS category. Yep, here is the download macOS Monterey ISO images. So basically, these images that we are including inside website, they are illegal. So maybe the company should complain against us on the hosting or other stuff. So that time our website will be blocked. So for a safe environment, I am basically going to insert those links inside uh, inside a Gmail, and then whenever someone tries to email, automatically the email will be replied to them. So this is how you can set up an automatic reply within the Gmail account. So if you have any if you have any question, let me know in the comment section. Also, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the IntoGuide YouTube channel, and I will meet you guys in the next video. So have a nice day. Goodbye.